I've run elections, 4 elections before, and I want to say the outcome, I don't think any person will dispute that unless something happened thereafter. But the voting exercise, I don't want to preempt. But so far the voting exercise and the counting will be done at the polling stations. If that is done perfectly with no issue, the way it is, I think nobody will complain.
And the will of the people is bigger than all of us. If the people of Kericho will decide in a fair democratic manner that Dr. Mutai is not fit to be the governor, I will abide by the results. I will concede defeat. I will congratulate my opponent or my competitor. I will wish him well and even looking forward to working with him.
Mutai.